Welcome back to Cappy Explores. I'm Cappy. Today we are going to talk about Amur leopards. Amur leopards are one of the most endangered species in the world. In fact, there are only about 84 left in the wild. They live mostly in Russia, with a few individuals in China and possibly North Korea. Their historic range goes as far north as Manchuria. Also, until the mid-20th century, their range extended throughout the Korean peninsula. The Amur leopard's habitat is the forest of Siberia, which can be very hot in the summer and very cold in the winter. They are very great hunters, perfectly adapted to the environment they live in. Their diet includes Siberian roe deer, the wild boar, the Amur elk, which is related to the North American moose, and the Asian red deer, which is related to the Rocky Mountain elk. As you can see, the Amur leopard would feel right at home in the forests of Canada. They don't only eat large animals, they also catch hares, birds, and even mice. Just like humans have fingerprints, Amur leopards have unique spot patterns, which means individuals can be identified. In the summer, their coats are only 2.5 centimeters long. I think he needs a belly rub.
Belly rubs.
But in the winter, they need protection from the cold Russian weather. So their coats grow as long as 7.5 centimeters long. Habitat destruction from forest fires and logging have reduced their habitat. But that's not their greatest concern. Poaching is the main threat to Amur leopards. Even though they are a protected species in Russia, hunters in small Russian villages often hunt them for their skins, which are then sold in China and other parts of the world. But there is some good news for the Amur leopard. Their population is stabilized and is slowly increasing. In 2012, the Russian government created a protected area called Land of the Leopard National Park. It is 650,000 acres and includes most of the Amur leopard's breeding areas. Zoos are also an important part of the recovery plan. There are over 250 Amur leopards in captivity. There are plans in place to release captive-bred Amur leopards back into the wild. Amur leopards are amazing creatures. They have survived all of these years without going extinct, and with the help of all of us, they'll survive into the future. Please subscribe